Jody Walters here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we're going to showcase this brand new 230 Solstice. It's a redesigned boat from Harris. It is probably the best fitted pontoon that you can get. The tunes are 25 inch and they have the performance package which keep the boat up. It's kind of like an airfoil. This boat is also sitting on an optional Magic Tilt aluminum pontoon trailer, very easy to tow. We can go up, we'll start back here in the back. One of Harris's designs, if you ever try to climb a ladder sitting at the beach, you generally want to swing under the boat. Harris has fixed that with the extra stanchions here, double top step, extra wide, super beefy. But as you climb up on the boat, you don't swing under the boat. So it makes boarding from the beach very easy. It's equipped with a 225 Mercury, super quiet. This has got the double bimini that everybody's wanting. This thing's loaded with features up top, so let's go show you how to enjoy it on the beach. Now we're on the back of the party back. You have a huge platform, easy to get in and out of the boat, play in the water, jump off the sides. This boat is equipped with the coolest seat that I've ever seen on a pontoon. First of all, you've got your cooler right here, your remote for your stereo here, your phone charger's there. This boat is very, very comfortable. As you sit back, you're sitting on the island, you can enjoy your view, watch your kids play. But also if you're traveling, this seat has so many options on it. There's two sections there for different height levels. Now you can lounge facing forward, but this also, as it lets down, you have a complete bed package. So there's no reason that you can't just stay out there all day. High back bucket seats, captain's chairs. With the state-of-the-art Simrad here, you have a portable phone charger, cordless, digital throttles. This instrument package here, you can change it, ties in with your engine, keeps up with all your engine data. Upgraded JL audio system. As we come over here to this side, you have a changing curtain. You can store a porta potty there if you needed. Sideboarding. Another thing Harris does, this bracket here comes all the way down. That will take up to 400 pounds of force before you move that. Another feature with Harris, all the seat cushions are hinged, so if you're going down the road, not a chance to lose your seat cushion. These buckets are watertight, so all your water you bring on board goes overboard. Everything stays dry in your compartments. LED colored lighting in all your cup holders. Like I said, this is a beautiful boat. Needs you to come take it to the island. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida.